So let's talk pizza stones. CADAC do a range of pizza stones for their barbecues. We've got 3 different sizes across 2 options. So one of the options is called the Pro range, where it comes with a deflector plate on the back and it comes with a bag to store your pizza stone away. And the other option just comes with the pizza stone itself without the deflector plate and without the bag. So recommendation here, the heat deflector will distribute the heat through the stone much better than just a stone itself. The importance of that, when you put your pizza on top of the stone, you'll get a more even crisp without burning the pizza stone. So definitely one of our recommendations, go for the Pro. Also comes with the bag as well, great for storing the item away. Also, this deflector does give a little bit more support to the stone when you're storing it away, less likely to crack it because it is a stone. You can break, if you drop this, it will break or it takes a knock. Okay, so different sizes. In the Pro version, I'm going to talk mainly about the Pro version here. You've got the 30, the 40 and the 50, which corresponds with the barbecues that CADAC range. Most important thing with the pizza stone, get it nice and hot, get the heat distributed evenly, and when you put your pizza stone on, make sure you're putting some of that on your wooden board or chopping board, that you put plenty of semolina flour on the bottom of it, shake the board backwards and forwards, make sure that that pizza can move around. When you're using a pizza peel, so CADAC do nice little 3-in-1 set here. They also do the pizza peels on their own, cutter, etc. When you're putting that pizza onto the pizza stone, just make sure it just slides on there nicely. If it slides on there nicely, once it's cooked, you're more likely to get the pizza off without getting bits of dough attached to the board. Another pro tip, if you're in a rush, you can just buy a pizza already with toppings on, stick it on the pizza stone, and away you go.